Everything is empty. Toilet will change. This is the office room, living room. This will be a spare room. Everything will change also. Curtain will change. The door will be gone. All the door will be gone. The master bathroom, right? We'll redo the master bathroom. Toilet bowl have to go, right? And this is the master bedroom. Just we change, we paint everything. We do the wardrobe, and we shall see. This is week 0. The hacking will be done tomorrow. We will start doing it on tomorrow. Yeah, in the kitchen, we will probably make a new kitchen island and we'll hack away all these signs here, all the X. And this is an empty wall. We'll think about what we're going to do later. Yeah, that's it.